On this episode of Wood Chips and Black Steel, we restore the Gunstocks on a Savage Model 99. The customer was looking to have the entire gun freshened, but our job at SixRounds was only the Gunstocks. After a careful survey of the wood's condition, the first thing we did was to strip the old finish using a mild stripper and stripping techniques. As is usual, it was necessary to steam out the dents that you come to expect from guns with history. It can be a long and tedious job, but with a little patience you can usually get them out, and with some light sanding they should all but the worst, disappear. When sanding the wood, its relationship to the metal needs to be considered. In this case, after years of the lever contacting the wood when the action was worked, both the oil applied to the metal and the compression of the wood when the lever slammed against it had created a stain that would be difficult to remove. By reinstalling the stock onto the receiver, I was able to measure how much wood I could remove before sanding below the metal. In this case, it was about 10 thousandths. The forearm had a small chip in the corner that needed repair. With a sharp chisel, I cut away the damage, made a small replacement sliver, glued it in, and then shaped it to the original wood. After some coloring at the end, the chip will disappear. Finish is the last and sometimes most satisfying part of any restoration. It signals the final stage of all the hard work, and it is what the customer notices first. After final sanding with multiple grits of sandpaper, the first couple coats are the color coats. On these stocks, we're adding the traditional red hue that is often typical of guns from an older generation. With the color coats dry, we hand apply many top coats until the desired sheen has been reached. Then, we give it a final rub out to smooth and refine the reflection. Then we're done. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.